that's the trouble with the goslings of today.
They're probably tired, dear. We haven't been marching for an awfully long time.
Poppycock! Do you prefer that we fly with a shoe on the march? I think not, my sweet. This way.
Excuse me. I was wondering if you could help.
Keep walking, dear. Eyes front UFO at 4 o'clock.
You see, I'm lost.
No excuse for bad navigation. A bird who gets off this flight path does not deserve his wings. That's what I always say, isn't it, dear?
Always, dear.
But I can't even fly yet. I got lost on foot.
Bah! Infantry, eh? Messy business.
He's only a youngster. Perhaps we should help him. Give him his marching orders.
Very well. We're geese, migrants, you know. Birds of a passage. Run a tight fleet. Wouldn't do for us to lose our way, what?
Well, there was that one time we ended up in the Wayward Islands.
Windward, dear. Windward! And that was a different matter entirely. Strong headwinds, weak thermals, blown off course.
Then how could my sister manage to get to Fort Lauderdale?
Yes, quite.
Now, where were you trying to get to?
Back to my mother, on the lake. I think it's in that direction. I saw some ducks flying over not too long ago.
Well, if you did, it was probably their last flying mission. What?
What do you mean?
Haven't you heard the ground to air, the bang bang, pop pop? What?
No. There's a chute on the march, dear. It's very dangerous.
What is a chute?
Well, it's a people sport. One group of men move through the march, staring ducks into the air, while a second group of men with guns shoot them back into the air.
The cat warned me about people.
The cat?
Well, yes, you see, I went off with this cat.
His parents probably wanted to get rid of the ugly blighter.
Didn't your mother tell you how dangerous the cat is?
Well, yes, she did, but I
The
thought...
enemy! Nasty piece of work. Pull your wishbone soon as look at you!
But the cat said he was my friend.
You don't want friends like that, dear. Your mother was right to warn you.
She was?
Good dogs! They must be starting to shoot again. Time for maneuvers. I hope you wouldn't come to this, but I have no option. All right, men. At ease. Company fall in. I did not mean literally. All right, men. Eyes front. Let's have a look at you. Barnacles, barnacles. When I said eyes front, I naturally hoped that your body would be facing a similar direction.
Certainly, Commander.
Take flight. You've trodden in something. How many times must I tell you to mind your own business? See to it. Oh, it's Louis. Oh, never mind. We have just received orders to embark on a very delicate, not to say dangerous mission.
Oh, one of them, is it?
Our mission is of reconnaissance and reunification.
Oh, here we go. Translation, Dot? The duckling's lost his mom. Bless him. And we're going to find her.
Well, if that's what he means, why doesn't he just say it?
You can always tell a pompous goose by his pigeon English.
What? All right, then! Attention! As you know, we are about to take part in an exercise the likes of which we have never faced before. You're a fine body of geese, and I know you will give your very best. Good luck, men! We're off on a wild goose chase. We will be no stranger to danger. The squadron will show no fear.
And no matter where we roam,
You've seen my mother?
Of course I have. She sent me to fetch you. Special envoy.
Listen here, cats. I'm in charge around here, and my squad is taking personal charge of the duckling's safe return to his mother.
Well, I wouldn't try flying at the moment. Haven't you heard the guidance?
We will commence maneuvers as soon as the shooting party is over.
It's their party, but look like we want
Silence in the ranks!
Sir!
Maybe I could be of assistance. I'll go over to the shoot, and then I'll come and tell you when they're packing up for the day.
Very well, but no funny business. I know several ways to skin your type.
It's like taking candy from a baby.
We're off on a wild goose chase. It's on that the squad such as ours can perform this role. We're off, and to prove that's not the case.
The act will surge for this quack quack.
Then return to base.
Company, present paper. Company, present coal. We are about to embark on our most perilous mission to date. I need hardly to tell you of the risks involved, or of the ultimate price we may have to pay. As we fly on to glory, I want you to know how very proud I am. Keep a stiff upper beat, men, and remember our motto, Semper Victoriam no pater de forga!
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Dot, and I'm your senior flight attendant. On behalf of Captain Greylag, I would like to welcome you aboard to this afternoon's flight from Rocky Marshland to some far-flung fall. We will be cruising at an altitude of several feet and flying in a rather attractive V formation. In the unlikely event of an emergency landing, we ask that you observe safe